Welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll see all the different ways you can sort a database. Sorting values largest to smallest, sorting entries A to Z, and vice versa. We've all been there. We all like to put some order in our databases. But do you know that you can sort a database based on two different conditions? And do you know that you can also sort a horizontal database? Follow me into Excel and I'll show you how to do it. Let's take once again our usual security database. We have this time just one sheet with our list of securities, two columns with a category and country associated with each security and a value in $1,000. The basic sorting operation is usually something we learn early on when using Excel. As said, we can sort text A to Z or vice versa, and numbers smallest to largest or vice versa. The sort command is up here in the Home tab of the ribbon under Sort and Filter, or you can also find it in the Data tab of the ribbon here. To sort a database, you can select the column you want to be sorted, either the column header or really any cell in the column. Then click on Sort A to Z to sort it alphabetically or lowest to highest as the pop-up says, or vice versa if you want it Z to A or highest to lowest. If we click it, Excel will automatically sort all columns of the database. It's that easy. Just be careful if there are formulas in your database, as changing the order of your rows could result in the formulas pointing to the wrong cells. If we look up here, we see there's a third sort option, generally called sort. If we click it, Excel selects the whole database, and we can now further customize how to sort our values. First, as you can see in the top right here, we have My Data Has Headers selected, and in fact the column headers are not highlighted and will not be sorted. If we uncheck it, with Sort Headers as well, as you can see, as they are now selected. But let's check it. Okay. Next, we can select which column we should sort for. Let's say that we're good to sort by category, but now we want to sort A to Z. You see up here we have an Add Level button. If we click it, we see that we have another row displayed down here. And here, let's say that we want to sort by current value, and now you see that as we're selecting numbers, the order switched from A to Z to smallest to largest. Let's do largest to smallest. By adding a new level, we're basically telling Excel, first sort by category, and then within each category, sort the rows by current value from the largest to the smallest. Let's press OK, and as we see now we have each category sorted alphabetically: communications, consumer, energy, financial, and so on. And within the category, securities are sorted largest to smallest. This is quite similar to what we can do with pivot tables as well, but without the need to create one. Let's reopen the sort window, and as you see, this second level could be moved up or down with the arrows to change the priority of your sort orders. You can also copy a level if you need to make a new level with minor changes compared to the one you copied, or delete it if you don't need it. And finally, we have options. If we click it, the most important feature here is orientation. In fact, we can choose if we want to sort top to bottom, that is, if we want to sort within the column, or if we want to sort left to right, that is, within a row. Let's hit cancel and see how it works. Let's hit cancel again, we like what we have. Let's copy the first rows of our database. We don't really need so many, just communications, and let's paste them here as transpose. We can either do that by right-clicking and selecting paste transpose, and as you see we have a preview I didn't click yet, or we can use the shortcut Alt H V T. Okay, let's make the columns a little bit wider so that we see better. Okay. If we have this kind of database, it is clear that sorting top to bottom won't do any good. So we select the data. In this case, we do not have to select the row headers, as Excel will not recognize them and it will sort them. Okay, we're back to home, so we can click here, sort and filter, custom sort. It is the same as the sort button under the data tab. Okay. And now let's go to options. We select sort left to right. And as you see now, my data has headers. It is grayed out, meaning that this option doesn't work for horizontal databases. Now we need to select which row we want to sort by. Let's say row 4, cell values, smallest to largest looks good. Press OK. And as you see, we changed the order of our securities. Just remember that the sorting direction remains selected in your sort menu. So if you then want to go back filtering top to bottom, you'll have to switch settings again. There are some even more advanced sorting options, but we'll keep them for another video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with the newest releases. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.